Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Excel, the whole package into your laptop. So using some few simple steps. So first, you go to Chrome and you search for Office Development Tool. Okay, the first thing that comes is download Office Development Tool. You select that, then you scroll down, you see download, the download option here. You select that. You see that Office Development Tool is being downloaded into our PC. So you click here and you show in folder. See, you can see from the folder, you can see that is showing in the folder. So you right click on it and you cut and you take to the desktop. You paste in the desktop. You create a new folder. You can name it PowerPoint. I already have PowerPoint on the desktop, so name it as PowerPoint 2. PowerPoint 2. You right click on it, open, and you paste our download. You paste our download into it. Paste. Okay, see that Office Development Tool, it's pasted there. And here you right click and create a new folder. New folder. You can name it anything that you want. Name it Eric Akko. Okay. Then you right click on Office Development Tool. I click on Run as Administrator. Yes. You click this one and you continue. And you select this PC desktop. When you see PowerPoint 2 is there, you open it and you see our file Eric Akko in PowerPoint 2. You click on it and okay. It's a Microsoft Office file extracted successfully. So here you click on OK. Then you go back to Eric Akko. You open it. You see that the files have been extracted to Eric Akko. So what we need is Office 2021 only, Enterprise, Office 2021 Enterprise. The first three options we don't need. So you can select them and you right click and delete from the file. So now we have this one. So you press Shift and right click button. The zip button you click on the zip button on your desktop. That is Shift and right click together. Shift button and the right click button together. So we see Open PowerShell Windows here. We click on Open PowerShell Windows. Then you go to the description section of this video. From there, you'll see a link. You copy this link on the description of this video. The link will be placed on the description of this video. So you copy this link and you come back. Come back here and you paste the link here. Control V and enter. Click on enter. See, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your computer? Yes. See, Microsoft. This is the entire Microsoft will be downloaded into your computer for free. So you see, it's downloading the entire Microsoft package. PowerPoint, Excel, Word will be downloaded into your computer. And that is the simple steps to download Microsoft into your computer, Excel, Word into your computer. So we just wait for some time. You just wait for some time for it to download. Take some time. Yeah, I already downloaded this, so you can see from here. Excel is there. Word, you can see here Excel. You can see Word on my PC. So this was just for illustrative purpose. So that's the easy way to download Microsoft Excel into your computer. See, it's still downloading, almost done. Save your work before continuing. Continue. Yeah, I already have in my phone, so that's the easy way to download Microsoft into your computer. Thank you very much for making it up to this up to the end of the video. Kindly subscribe, give a comment on what you want to learn. If you want to learn anything, just subscribe and let me know in the comment section. Then I'll make a video on that. Thank you very much.